Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful weekend. Today is the first trading day of the week, 29th of November 2021 and Monday. As always, I would like to show you how I help my traders to bank amazing profit through live intraday analysis in real time and the best trade of the day. Let's dig into the system and let me share with you guys how I did today. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis review, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's move to three major currency pair: Euro USD, Pound Dollar, and the Dollar CAD. If you look at the Euro USD and in 4-hour chart, as you can see that from last Friday we were long, we had a bank beautiful pips. If you haven't seen my Friday analysis review video, link is given in the video description. All right, so this morning, as explained to my trader, we have at the market open, we have this sort of rejection at this level, which you can see here. Previously price respected, broken, and we were expecting a pullback at this level. So we had a counter short trade, bank few pps, and let me share with you guys how I analyze in intraday and bank few pps. All right, so if you look at the intraday analysis, as you can see here, after the market open, that's what we have it. Rejection in 4-hour. As you can see here, the price was respected at the major resistance level. That's what the analysis I did, and it's helped my traders explain in details that they should be taking a breakout this trade, and the most safest way to look for after the breakout and pull back. That's beautiful. As you can see here, price nicely, sorry, here the price nicely broken this previously, and after the breakout, as you can see here, price nicely developed a pullback at this level. Beautiful. And the target was the 200 EMA, which is nicely hit. As you can see here, first target, bank beautiful pips. And afterwards at the New York session, and after that, I explained to my trader, look for this one. We already have this breakout. We're expecting here possibility of pullback, but there's still possibilities price might going to break, because if you look at in 4-hour, the price was at this previous high, which is broken. So expecting a possibility of reversal. The safest trade, and that's what I explained to my trader, that's what we look at in very detail. You can see here these two levels. Explain to my trader, if the price gonna break, then we're going to take a short trade here. If the price gonna break this one, then we're taking a long trade here. As you can see here, price nicely broken, momentum was bearish, so we had a beautiful breakout short trade here. As soon as the price hit to the previous low level, explain to my trader, it's time to bank some profit and look for this another breakout, and this is another breakout opportunities develop. But we bank beautiful pips on Euro USD on short trade here. Now we are still waiting this analysis, which is I have already explained to my trader, look for this pullback, which is performed, but based on the previous analysis, we bank beautiful pips and we're looking for this breakout. We'll let you know tomorrow how it goes. And let's move into the pound dollar. And if you look at the pound dollar 4-hour chart, we had a Friday, we had a nice beautiful long trade here, and as always, as you can see here, price previously broken and retest one level here. So we had a beautiful short trade here, bank few pps. As you can see here at the New York session, we have a bearish engulfing candle. We also had this breakout short trade and bank beautiful pips. Let me share with you guys how I analyze in intraday and explain to my trader in more details. As you can see here at the London morning session, we were expecting this breakout, price nicely broken here, and after this breakout we had another pullback. As you can see here in the morning, the market went up and price refused to break, and that's why we have breakout and the pullback. As soon as the price keep respecting it, we bank beautiful pps on. As soon as the price develop a double top, that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to bank some profit. And at the New York session, which is I explained to my trader the price action, as you can see here in more detail, that the price developed a double top here and price broken. So we're expecting another pullback, which is price already developed, or break out this low. That's what exactly we're looking at. This is the breakout or pullback, or if the price break and retest, then long. Otherwise we are looking at short trade here. As you can see here, price nicely broken the previous low, and that's what I explained. At that time we had a bearish engulfing candle pattern, and that's what I explained to my trader, it's the safest way and high probability short trade on breakout on pound dollar. And I also explained, keep taking a pullback. We have another beautiful couple of pullback short trade as long as the momentum was bearish. So we had a beautiful breakout short trade in the morning. We had a breakout long, pullback long at the New York session. We can see here beautiful short trade as explained to my trader, that the price nicely respected in 4-hour. All right, so beautiful trade, and let's move into the dollar CAD. Dollar CAD, we had amazing trade. As you can see here, our bias was long, and we were expecting, my trader, if the price gonna stay below this level, you can see here previously, and as I explained, if the price is going to break this level, then we're taking a short trade here. Otherwise, possibility of pullback, which is nicely, you can see here, price came back and developed a pullback. So we had this breakout at the New York session. Beautiful long trade here. As soon as the price is about to hit the previous high, and that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to bank some profit. Let me share with you guys the analysis result. As you can see here, since in the morning, since the market opened, price developed a sideways market, and technically we can call it like a bull flag pattern. As you can see here, even in 4 hour, we have this breakout, and beautiful at the New York session. After the opening bell, momentum was bullish, so we have sentiment was developed bias and long on dollar CAD, as explained to my traders. So we had a beautiful breakout long trade here, first and final target as soon as the price hit to around the previous high. That's what I explained to my trader, it's time to bank some profit. As you can see, guys, we had such amazing trade even Monday. Beautiful trades on EURUSD, pound dollar, and the dollar CAD. We also had a beautiful trades on Kiwi dollar. That was a pretty straightforward breakout trade, short trade here, bank beautiful pips. All right, guys, I hope you enjoy all this analysis. As always mentioned, you should be watching those analysis in real time and banking profit in real time. And if you are struggling in forex trading, you can develop your trading skill in real time through live intraday analysis alongside with the live audio commentary support. And once you develop your trading skill and produce consistency result, I can also help you to get funded from prop firms. If you are interested how I teach and train my traders in real time through live intraday analysis, I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. Availability calendar link is also given in the video description, and most welcome. Or even if you are experienced trader, as you have seen it, this is purely price action trading, and I'm pretty sure you're gonna enjoy pipping alongside with my other traders. So most welcome to join my fast growing trader community. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening. Stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.